Meaning of differently.
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 Differently. Differently means in a way that is not the same as something else or in a different manner. When something is done differently, it implies that there are alternate ways to do the same thing. For example, if you have always cooked your eggs sunny side up, but then you decide to try cooking them scrambled, you are doing it differently. The result of doing something differently can vary. It may lead to new and exciting experiences, discoveries, and outcomes. On the other hand, it could also cause confusion, frustration, and potentially negative consequences. Ultimately, doing something differently can be a useful tool for growth and learning, but it should be approached with caution and consideration.